I want to tell a story about a manufacturing prospect. This is a household name. Everybody would recognize them, that we went and visited their plant. And they essentially had, for the product that they were making, they had 4 different shifts. And those shifts kind of, the way that they worked out was a bit varied. But each one of those shifts had a manager. And the first thing that they would do, a manager would do when they come onto the shift for their period, is they would have to pull certain stats from various different software sources that were out there. Some of those were Access databases, some of those were vendor solutions, that interacted with their equipment and told them, how many pounds of product was being made or whatever the numbers was at the time. And so those managers, the organization had goals for each shift. What was the shift supposed to produce? And they had a number of those different KPIs, and that was how the manager was supposed to manage the shift, according to those goals that had been set out. And the way that their systems were all set up, in order to manage to those goals or to manage to those KPIs, you had to pull data from a number of different systems. Well, what they realized is that the first 2.5 hours of every manager's shift was spent just trying to pull the data and get it into a format that they could then manage from the various different systems. And so we were consulted to come in with the hope of being able to pull the information from the various systems, pull all of that data back to a centralized location, and then give a web interface for a manager to log in at, say, hey, this is who I am, this is my shift. Give me my starting spreadsheet. And so that's the type of scenario that we can easily step into, where you've got multiple systems, you need to integrate it. And the save, if you will, or the value to the organization is on giving their managers time to actually manage and help their people on the floor, instead of sitting there doing data entry at the beginning of every shift.